I didn't say go.
Wait, there's more. Better reaction than there's more. What did you say? No, they all go together. Yeah, I never heard such a high-pitched voice.
Date night.
Coco, go away.
Well, you have to understand.
Oh, wait, two?
You have to understand, he's never had a game box of any kind.
Really?
The only one I have is the $30 that I got on eBay.
You made that.
Lise, can you put them downstairs and put the gate
The
on?
dogs?
Yeah, sure. Coco, come on. Jax.
These I might need to explain this. You open up the right ones. Alright, you have to open up the actual case, because it was just...
Ooh.
That's one. Go to next.
What is it?
I think I know which one.
He's awake now.
Yeah, now he's awake. Up and over the other. No, open it. You gotta open it again. You gotta open it. Okay. You just open
But
it.
there's tape in the way.
Halo Reach, yes, good. That's a required. Halo Wars is required. Halo Reach is required. You actually managed to get all these?
On her own.
On her Starbucks break.
Ooh, the anniversary edition
She
too.
could run to the GameStop guy.
This is.
I won't. Don't worry, no games or cards will be lost.
My days off after I work the day after Christmas is going to be revolving around this.
I sense church tonight might be a option.
Yeah.
Well, that's part
The-
of, you know, like, if you leave by 10, we can get to church by 11.
I'm going to see church on Red versus Blue.
Yeah.
Aw, this is great.
Church. This one I definitely want to play.
So now you have the whole Halo collection. Alright, now you can stop recording.